How to change your website icon in WordPress easily. Here we are on my WordPress website. To get started, simply open up your WordPress website view. Navigate to your website name and then place your cursor on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Theme Customizer. This will take you to the customization options for your website's theme. Now, in the left side corner of the Theme Customizer, click on General Settings. Within the General Settings tab, you'll find Site Identity. Click on it to access the options for your website's identity. Here you'll notice the Site Icon section. Site icons are the small images you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within WordPress mobile apps. It's important to note that site icons should be at least 512 by 512 pixels. Let me show you an example by opening up the Apple website. As you can see, their site logo reinforces their brand identity. Now let's upload our icon. Click the Select Site Icon button, and then select the files on your computer by clicking the Select Files button. Once you've uploaded your icon with a size of 512 by 512 pixels, select the image and click the Select button in your screen's bottom right corner. Before we proceed, I want to mention that if you don't have the Divi theme installed on your WordPress website, you can easily get it from elegantthemes.com. I've included a link in the description below for your convenience. Elegant Themes offers the Divi theme for only $89 a year. This package includes the Divi theme builder, 300 plus website packs, unlimited website usage, 24/7 premium support, and additional plugins like Bloom and Monarch. The best part? They offer a risk-free guarantee. If you're not satisfied within 30 days, they'll refund you without any questions asked. All right, let's get back to business. Click the Select button to save your changes, and voila! You have now successfully changed your website's icon.